Hi and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install and configure DHCP. DHCP means Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. To do such, we will need to add the DHCP role to our server. So we are going into our server manager. As you see, I already have open. Add roles and features. Next. So you see here we do not have the DHCP server connected, so we need to add these features. So we click it, add features, then we click next, install, and the installation process will take a few minutes. So as you can see, the installation has completed, and now we're going to complete the DHCP configuration. So here we're going to click next. We have our user credentials. We're going to leave that as. We're going to press commit, then we're going to press close. So the DHCP was successfully installed. So now we are going to go into tools, DHCP, right, and then we are going to go into the IPv4, the IP version 4, and we're going to add a scope. So then we're going to press next. I'm going to name my scope Sherise Pool. Then I'm going to click next. So here we are going to put in a range of IP addresses. So I chose to use 192.168.1 and 100 to 192.168.1 and 150, right? And as you see, the subnet mask and the length was automatically added. So here we want to add some exclusion and delays. Exclusions are a range of addresses that are not distributed by the server. So most of the times these excluded addresses are the first 10 within the range. So it will be the starting IP address, which is 192.168.100 to 109. So the 192.168.109, and we're going to add that. So you see it was added to the excluded range, and then we're going to press next, and then we're going to press next, then we press next. Here we are going to add the gateway of the router. If you don't remember the gateway of the router, we can go into our command prompt and run an ipconfig, or as said before, your gateway and your IP address is the same thing. So your IP address was 192.168.0.1. We want to add that, and then we want to press next, then we're going to press next, then we're going to press next, and then next. And here we have completed the new scope. So as you see here, the server pool for the DHCP Sherise pool is actively created, and that is how you could create your DHCP server.